What is, in fact, an unpleasant odor? Of course, you would know the answer right away if there were a wastewater treatment plant, wastewater pumping station, a landfill, fish processing plant, or only a ventilation outlet from a restaurant's kitchen right under your windows. Such unpleasant odors bothering you day and night will leave you with only two options: either to change your address or to complain and demand a solution. Usually, wastewater treatment plants or industrial premises that may disturb the neighboring inhabitants' comfort are situated at the fringe of municipalities. However, what happens if a municipality starts to grow and its residential zone begins to stretch to the odor sources? Well, the citizens will start to complain to their municipal council. The council members know that such complaints are justified, as no one wants to live in a foul-smelling environment. On the other hand, they also know that wastewater treatment plant relocation or diversion of a sewage system to another route is financially demanding. Furthermore, if the local industry is ousted away, people will lose their jobs, and in the end, they'll move away as well. Therefore, it's necessary to find a solution at the place of odor origin so that it doesn't bother its neighborhood. In other words, to draw the bad-smelling air off and efficiently eliminate malodorants from the airstream. The deodorization technology offered by our company uses the latest deodorization technology for bad smell disposal using the so-called photoionization. These units are supplied ready for immediate service, including the exhaust fan. The installation work consists only of anchoring the equipment to a concrete base, electrical wiring or connection, and filling the unit with dust filters, UV lamps, and the catalyst material. Depending on the scope of the supply, the installation can be completed in several days. What to do if a higher output is needed? No problem. Photoionization is formed with compact units that enable modular assembling, thus increasing the system performance. How does photoionization work? At the entry to the system, the mass of air passes through the dust filter, which protects the equipment against mechanical impurities. Subsequently, the airstream flows to a chamber where shortwave ultraviolet radiation exercises its influence through the photochemical reaction to pollutants. The chemical bonds among the molecules of malodorants are thus eroded and broken. At the same time, ultraviolet radiation generates hydroxyl radicals and small amounts of ozone that involve the pollutants in oxidation reactions. These oxidation processes effectively remove odorous substances such as hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, mercaptans, and volatile matters. The catalyst material is placed in the next chamber, where the oxidation reactions are finalized. Here, the odorous substances are decomposed to their basic components, such as water, carbon dioxide, and so on. At the outlet from the equipment, an optional exhaust fan may be installed. These are the major advantages of this process: effective removal of a whole range of odorous substances, removal of very high and fluctuating concentrations of odorous substances, fully automatic or intermittent service, easy installation. The equipment can be placed both inside and outside a building. Compact equipment with low demand for an enclosed space. Low operating costs without the consumption of chemicals or water, and the equipment can also be supplied in the explosive-proof design. Photoionization has proven its high efficiency in many localities worldwide, whether in cases of wastewater treatment plants, pumping stations and housing development zones, luxury resort areas, or in the industry. In short, this is the right technology for places where the operating or utility companies must not ignore the odor problem.